How to use ChatGPT to write a resume. Craft an impressive resume that highlights your skills and experiences with the help of ChatGPT. Overview. Join us on social networks. Writing a resume using ChatGPT can be a helpful way to get started, but it's important to remember that the final content and formatting should be tailored to your specific needs and industry. Here's a general guide for using ChatGPT to assist in writing a resume for a project manager position. Header. Start by developing a header section that includes your full name, address, phone number and, if applicable, links to any professional social media accounts. Professional summary. Provide a brief summary of your experience, talents and career aspirations under the professional summary or profile section. Emphasize your professional value proposition and critical abilities. Education. Add an education section to your resume, then detail your educational accomplishments in reverse chronological order. Mention the institution's name, the accreditation you earned, your major or area of concentration, and your graduation year. Work experience. List your relevant work experiences in the work experience or professional experience section. Include the position's title, the company's name, the place of employment and the dates of employment. Briefly outline your duties, successes and standout contributions in each capacity. Skills. Create a section called Skills or Technical Proficiencies, and list your most important skills that apply to the job or sector. Include hard skills like communication and leadership, and soft skills like knowledge of programming languages and software. Projects or achievements. Include a section labeled Projects or Achievements if appropriate to highlight. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.